Assalamu alaikum dear students and viewers. Hope you are all fine. For last couple of days we have been discussing elasticity of demand, and in the concept we discussed the meaning of elasticity, the types of elasticity, and the degrees of price elasticity of demand. Now let us today move to the measurement of price elasticity of demand. देखिए हमने 5 डिग्रीज इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड की डिस्कस की, 5 डिग्रीज. तो हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि वेदर इलास्टिसिटी इज लेस देन यूनिटी, ग्रेटर देन यूनिटी और इक्वल टू यूनिटी? It's by measuring price elasticity of demand that we know whether the demand for a commodity is unitary elastic, greater than unity or less than unity. There are different methods of measuring price elasticity of demand. The main ones, the important ones are in front of you. We have the percentage method, इसे proportionate method भी कहा जाता है. We have the graphic method or point method. Then we have total expenditure or total outlay method. Let us discuss these methods one by one. देखिए ये हमारा परसेंटेज मेथड है. दिस मेथड ऑफ मेजरिंग इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड इज ऑल्सो नोन एज proportionate method. This method was suggested by Marshall. Under this method, elasticity of demand is measured by taking the ratio of percentage change in quantity demanded to the percentage change in price. Simply the main definition, अगर आपको वो प्रीवियस रिलेशन जो जब हम इलास्टिसिटी डिस्कस कर रहे थे उस वक्त एक रिलेशन पे हम पहुंचे थे, दैट इज द रिलेशन विच इज यूज्ड हियर फॉर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ और मेजरमेंट ऑफ प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड. कैसे होता है? इट्स वर्कड आउट एज अंडर. देखिए व्हाट वी डू, वी टेक परसेंटेज चेंज इन क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड. हमें चेंज कैसे पता चलेगी? व्हेन वी नो द ओरिजिनल, द इनिशियल, सो वी कैन राइट चेंज इन डिमांड divided by initial change, initial demand, change in demand divided by initial demand divided by change in price divided by the initial price. That's original price. All it is taken as negative. It's our elasticity. Now if we convert this into mathematical relation, you will get Q1 minus Q divided by Q. It is change in quantity, it is original quantity. Then P1 minus P, it's change in price, it's original price. P1 is the new price, this is the original price. Q1 is the new quantity, Q is the original quantity, right? It's all taken as percentage, but in negative. We can write it as, change can be written as del Q by Q, del P by P, all in percentage. We can put it as, it is division, ये divide है, divide हम ऐसे लिखते हैं, इसका इनवर्स आएगा, अगेन नेगेटिव, राइट. अब थोड़ा आगे आइए. After involving certain mathematics, we arrive at the final relation, that is del Q by del P into P by Q, or simply we can write elasticity of demand is equal to del Q by del P into P by Q. This is the simple relation for price elasticity of demand. That is simply elasticity of demand is equal to del Q by del P into P by Q. अगर हमारे पास वैल्यूज होंगे of these variables, we can easily calculate and say whether elasticity is equal to unity, less than unity or greater than unity. यहाँ ये इतना ही है कि del Q is change in quantity, del Q बराबर होता है Q1 minus Q, और del P बराबर होता है P1 minus P. This is new quantity, new price. Original quantity, original price, right? Let us take an example. देखिए, suppose the price per ice cream is ₹4 per unit, and at this price demand is for 1 unit. So our P, original price is 4 and original quantity is 1. Suppose price falls from ₹4 to ₹2. So the new price, that's P1, will be equal to 2, and quantity demanded rises, say for example 4 units. So new quantity, that's Q1, is equal to 4. अब क्या चाहिए हमें इस रिलेशन के लिए? फर्स्ट वी नीड डेल क्यू. Del Q will be equal to Q1 minus Q, that is 4 minus 1, and del P will be equal to P1 minus P, that is, what's our new price? It is 2. What's our original price? So our change, that del Q will be equal to 3, our del P will be equal to minus 2. Price fall हुआ है, quantity rise हुई है. Now substituting these values in the relation, del Q by del P into P by Q, we will get what's change in quantity? It's 4. What is change in price? It is 2. What's original price? It is 3. Sorry, 4. What's original quantity? What's our del Q? Del Q is 3. What's our del P? It's minus 2. What's our original price? 4. What's our new price? New quantity? It is 1. Original price was 1. Original quantity was 4. Original. अब समझ रहे हैं? Are you getting me? Our change in price is, quantity is new quantity minus initial quantity. New price minus initial price. Initial price is 4. Initial quantity was 1. Right? Change in quantity is 3. Change in price is 2. 4 3s are 12 by 2 is equal to 6. This minus minus gets cancelled. So our elasticity of demand for such a relation is 6. That is, elasticity of demand is greater than unity, or that is 6 is greater than unity, that's elasticity is greater than unity. This is how we calculate or measure price elasticity of demand through proportionate method or percentage method. What you have to keep in mind, only the relation elasticity of demand is equal to del Q by del P into P by Q. Values दिए होंगे, you have to sort out change in quantity and change in price. With that you can easily calculate price elasticity of demand. Right? अब अगर ये 0 आता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट इज़ लेस देन यूनिटी. अगर यूनिट होगा तो इक्वल टू यूनिटी. It all depends upon the values available, the data available. This is the simple measurement. तो यहाँ एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात है, नेगेटिव साइन. ये नेगेटिव और ये नेगेटिव, माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाता है. अक्सर बुक्स में आप देखेंगे कि इट्स इग्नोर्ड, बिकॉज जो हमारे वेरिएबल्स हैं इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट्स, दो में से तो एक ज़रूरी माइनस हो सकता है. बिकॉज अगर प्राइस फॉल होता है तो नेगेटिव, अगर क्वांटिटी फॉल होती है तो नेगेटिव. वी विल गेट इधर डेल पी और डेल क्यू एज नेगेटिव. राइट? दिस इज हाउ वी कैलकुलेट प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड थ्रू द प्रोपोर्शनेट मेथड. इसके अलावा हमारे पास और भी मेथड्स हैं विच वी हैव टू डिस्कस, लाइक द पॉइंट मेथड और पॉइंट इलास्टिसिटी मेथड, जिसे हम ग्राफिक मेथड भी कहते हैं, और टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर मेथड। वी विल डिस्कस देम वन बाय वन। आज के लिए इतना काफ़ी है। गो थ्रू योर बुक्स। अगर कहीं भी कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है, consult me, WhatsApp me, SMS me. I am at your disposal. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. God bless you all.